we're going to take a look at a property of logarithms. It's the product property. These properties are used to expand and condense logarithms, and ultimately they're used for solving equations. So we're going to look at the product. Product means multiply. So the product property, it says for all positive numbers, a, b, and x. So we know that a, b, and x all have to be positive. We talked about in class how when a and b are negative, there's no way that you can take a base of x, raise it to some exponent, and make it negative. So, and we're going to look at the graphs of those a little later. But so basically, what we have for the product property is the log base x of ab is equal to the log base x of a plus the log base x of b. So we're going to take a look at an example here. If we have log base 2 of xy, well, according to this property, we can split that into two of them. We have log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of y. So let's take a look at example with using numbers. Grab myself a calculator here, and you might want to grab yourself a calculator. When we have log base 2 of 6, well, 6 is the same thing. Let's put that in the calculator. Remember, when we're putting it in the calculator, we hit the math key, we go down to log base, and then we would type in a 2 and a 6. And we know that that's approximately, I'm going to round to the hundredths, is about 2.58. So now let's split that. 6 is the same thing as log base 2 of 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Well, we know that that is log base 2 of 2 plus log base 2 of 3. So let's think about this. 2 to what power is equal to 2? Well, I would say that 1, but let's go ahead and check it. So we go down again to log base, and we would have 2 of 2, and that is a 1. And then we've got log base 2, 3, would be 1.58, and you can kind of see that decimal is the same thing. And when you add them together, you get the 2.58496250. You can see it's exactly the same. So this product property is pretty powerful when it comes to condensing and expanding things. So if we were to say, look at an example that looks like this, maybe, so these two are expanding, we're stretching them out. If we were to look at something like this particular problem, log base 3 of x plus log, oops, let's try that again, log base 3 of 4. Well, we can put those back together, but they have to have the same base. You can't do this unless they have the same base. So we'd have log base 3 of 4x. So that's the product property. That's only one of them. We have the quotient property and the power property, and we're going to look at those later.